Is your handwriting in Samsung Note looking uneven and messy? There's a simple tool that can clean it up instantly. It's called Align Handwriting, and it's part of the Clean Handwriting menu in Samsung Note. To do so, open Samsung Note and then open any handwriting note. On the bottom toolbar, swipe left to find and tap Clean Handwriting icon. Samsung Note will highlight your handwriting. You can adjust the selection area if needed. Next, tap Align Handwriting to straighten and tidy the writing. Then tap the check icon to save the result. And that's all. Your handwriting is now nicely aligned and much easier to read, all with just a few taps on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.